Hello guys, I am back after my disappearance of 10 years. RIP. Every little helps. By watching this video all funds go to fixing my mashed up skin, please and thank you. Now let's get started fixing this BTEC face. Throw on some primer, use a hydrating one if your skin is dry as foot like mine. Now I'm getting a darker concealer to hide my eye bags that carry groceries and remove my permanent mustache. Conceal, don't feel, don't let it show. Pineapple. Now taking the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation. I like this one because it filters out the truth that my skin is low-key botched. 10 out of 10 would recommend. And then we blend. Now adding matchsticks in caramel to my face. This is just in case my pigmentation is peeping through. Then I add a lighter concealer to highlight and brighten the face so I don't look like I'm part-time dead. Blending, blend. Now taking talcum setting powder that makes me look like I came straight from Ash City. I'm going to set my face because my eyes and mouth crease up more than an 80-year-old. Now taking Morph Boss Mood Thingy, I use all browns. Then shove it in the outer corner of my eye. Make sure we blend. Don't want to look like we got punched in the eye. Taking liquid eyeshadow and placing it from the beginning to the middle of the eyelid, and then make sure to blend to prevent it from looking chunky. Get yourself a deep shimmery purple and dab on the outer corner of your eyes. By the way, you don't need to have exact products. You can do whatever you want.
It's my life, whatever I wanna do.
We now add black around our eyes, aka liner and mascara. This important step is to bronze. We do this in winter because my melanin ran away, and I'm too broke to ask the sun to give me some. Apparently having blush gives a more youthful look, so here we are. Now we add sparkly bits to our cheekbones to blind people, give your face a glow. Next to our eyelashes, we use these to enhance our eyes. Make sure they are not too long, in case you fly away. Safety first. We now add color to our lips using Lippy Stick. Purple but comfortable to wear. I smooth out the edges so that there is no hard line. I also add a lighter color in the center. Okay, we're gonna try to sort out this mop on my head and try to look aesthetic. Get yourself some cute hair clips. Got these from AliExpress. They were cheaper than my lunch. Side part the hair and then add clips. Got these cute star-shaped earrings, brighter than my future. 99p from PAX, my local beauty supply store. I'm hella clumsy so I ended up breaking them, but we fixed it. Now we are going to try and look pretty. Smiley face. Thanks for watching. Bye.